Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Artistic Intention Studios. Just wanted to take a minute to show you some of the drink coasters I've been working on. These are some alcohol inks that I've set on fire, and I just love the way, man, the fire, as it evaporates the ink and the alcohol, makes those rings. These two tiles especially are super cool. Come along over here with me. I just want to show you. Don't look at my messy floor. It's terrible. I have been very busy making lots of tiles. Trying to get ready for my open house. Lots of different colors. Lots of different styles and techniques. Fun, 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 fun. Some of these you've seen me make in my videos. These are the ones that I did the chameleon cells. Yeah, they turned out pretty cool. These have not gotten resined yet. I'm running low on resin. I've got to order more. And then these are the ones with the, these were the swipes. Super cool. Absolutely love them. Yeah. So very soon I will be doing another video of how I finish these tiles. Grab my pen. So this is the gold ink pen that I will be using on the edges of these. So I'll go all along the edges, covering up that, like that white there, all the way around. And then I will be adding these little guys, these little felt rounds on the bottom. After I put resin over them, of course. Yeah. So that's what I've been up to. Hope you guys are having a great day. Just a quick little snippet of what is going on in here in the studio. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Come back and see me soon. Till next time, guys.